Welcome again, and this is the last video of this lesson number 3 explanation. So we are starting from the mouse settings. How you can set your mouse, that means in the mouse settings you can change the button configuration, the movement of the mouse, it will slow or fast, the double clicking functions, you can the speed of the double click, fast or slow, that those things can be set in the mouse settings. This is the mouse properties. So this box you have to open up. So how you can open up this box? Let us start. First you have to open the control panel. So in the I'm closing this one again, so I'll start the control panel again. So this is a control panel. You just go to the mouse section, DE, so it will be M, so where this is the mouse. So click on mouse. So this is the mouse properties box as given in your book. So from here you can set up your mouse settings. So mouse properties under the button configuration. So this is the button configuration. You can switch the primary and secondary buttons. That means you are working, the main keys to open a program or a file is the left button. That is the left button. When you double click, the file and folder opens up. So you can switch that one. You can change left to make it right. The right buttons you can set as to open files and folder. Double click right, it will open up. Okay, so interchanging, that is left button will do the work of right button, and right button will do the work of the left button. So interchanging, that is called switching primary and secondary buttons. Primary is the left button, secondary is the right button. And if you go to the double click speed, how much speed do you want, you can drag this one. Okay, slow, that means if you give the first click, then after certain interval, say after 3 seconds, you give the second click, it will become double click then. And if you give fast, then say within 1 second you have to give the first click and second click, the difference of time should be 1 second, so then it will become fast. So you can set this speed of the double click. Okay, then there are pointers option. You can set what style of pointers it should be. See, if I change the scheme, so it changes like this. Okay, this one magnified, none is, nothing is there, normal. So you can change the, then you should apply it. Then you have the pointer options. If you select a pointer speed, slow or fast, so it will show you the how the pointer moves. A little bit if you move, it will move quickly. So that is called pointer speed. Display pointer trails. The pointer will show a tail like this. Okay, that is pointer trails, it is called. Okay, then some more are there. So these are the things you can set for your mouse. This, you can alternate the settings. Then we come to the sleep mode of the computer. What is sleep mode? Suppose you are not working now in the computer, say half an hour you are not working. So the computer, in order the computer to draw less amount of power, it will run a very less amount of electricity, and less amount of space will be taken to run your application. And also the files which are there on the RAM will be saved in the memory or on the hard disk. And uh, and when you come after half an hour, you no need to have to start the computer again, restart the computer again. You can start the computer very quickly. Okay, to resume your work. So in that way you are saving power of the computer, as well as you can start your work again when you come back after say half an hour or 1 hour later. So how to do that one? If you click on start button, then there is a shutdown. Don't click on shutdown, there is an arrow next to shutdown. If you point that arrow, and then you have some options which comes up, you have to click on sleep. The computer will go to sleep. Okay, the monitor will become black in color then. So this is how you can start the sleep mode. That's complete this lesson. So we are now in the chapter review. So you read the chapter review points, the important points, and as well as read the lesson 3 or 4 times. So in order to complete the exercises. So from the exercise, you have to complete on your own after reading 3 or 4 times. You can complete question number A, then question number B, question number C, that is MCQ, fill in the blanks and true and false, and then last 2 questions, that is unscramble words and match the following. So those has to be completed at home before the next class. And question number D and E answers I will give in the WhatsApp group. So your task as a homework to read the lesson, watch the video, and complete exercise question A, B, C, and the last 2 question F and G, unscramble words and match the following. And question number D and E I will give later in the WhatsApp group, which you have to write in your computer copy. Okay, A, B, C, and the last 2 question you will do only in the book, only in book. Only question number D you have to write in copy, and question number E, question answers you have to write in copy. Only D and E you have to write in the computer copy. Rest you have to do in computer book only. Okay, thank you all of you.